Another recipe you can prepare for the holidays, sweet spicy pork ribs inspired by a baby back ribs. Let's start cooking. So we have here pork ribs. Ito siya. Nakahiwa siya ng mga 2 inches long. And we will season very simply with salt. Ito siya, salt. No, properly seasoned with salt. Yan. Para mabilis siyang lumambot, ito yung gagawin natin. We will add a teaspoon of baking soda. So, yung baking soda will help tenderize the meat. Mix natin. And you can do this ahead of time, no, to really help develop the flavor and also help in tenderizing the meat before you start cooking. That's good. And we will add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Yan, just to coat our pork ribs. Sobrang simple lang. Add some oil and we will sear our pork. Ito siya, tingnan nyo ha, when we're searing our pork, dahil may starch siya, mas madali siya mag-brown. Kasi kung hindi mo siya lalagyan ng starch, ano mangyayari? Magtutubig. So instead na mag-fry, papansin mo, nagba-brown kayo ng inyong mga meats. Nangyayari, instead mag-brown siya, nagkakatas. And after magkatas siya, naglalaga ka na instead nagba-brown or nagsisir ng inyong meats. Key is not to overcrowd your pan or else, yun nga, the temperature will go down and hindi ka na rin magsisir. And ito, sobrang sarap niya with rice or even with French fries. So ito, very versatile yung ating dish. Can be served with a side of salad. So ito siya, maganda siyang idagdag sa ating mga Noche Buena tables. So, look at that, no? Hindi siya nagtubig dahil sa ating starch. And don't you worry, ito magiging sobrang malasa nito because we are making a very nice, sticky na sauce na manamis-namis, may konting tanginess, then spicy. Ayan. Perfect na perfect. Pero alam mo, pag when you have kids, pwede mo nang bawasan yung spiciness. Tatabi natin ang ating pork ribs. And using the same pan, hindi na tayo magpapalit ng ating pan. So, sautein natin yung ating onions, garlic, star anise. Ito, medyo very Christmassy yung aroma. Chili flakes for some spice. And cracked black pepper. So, gigisa din natin yung ating black pepper to really bring out the flavor. Gisa lang, no? Light saute, just to bloom all the flavors. And we will add, ito na siya, ating magiging sauce or ating magiging glaze. Pineapple juice. Yan. Soy sauce. Brown sugar for sweetness. So, very barbecue-ish yung flavor natin, no? And some banana ketchup. Yung banana ketchup natin will give it a nice color. Yan. Tomato ketchup, pwede din. It's really up to you. So, what we will do now, ito siya. We will let that simmer and thicken for a few minutes for all the flavors to come together. Stir natin, oh. Combine, 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 combine. So, kumukulo na yung ating sauce. And this is the time. Ang dali-dali lang ng buhay natin now. We will just arrange the pork ribs into our pot. Ganyan. And it will braise the pork ribs hanggang lumambot yung ating pork ribs and magiging more sticky. So, delicious. Yan, manot yung lasa. So, ito, magtithicken siya because of the sugars also from the pineapple juice and the sugar, the brown sugar, but also because of the layer of starch that we use to coat our pork ribs. And what will we do now? We will just cover this and let it cook for around 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes until everything has cooked down to a very nice sauce, very rich sauce. Malambot yung ating pork. But hindi sobrang lambot. Gusto din natin may bite yung ating pork, no? And ready na yung ating pork ribs. And I promise you, sobrang nakakatakam ito. Look at that. And I will show you how sticky my sauce is. Look at that. Oh, Kung gusto mo pa mag-effort, pagkatapos ito, i-torch mo siya or i-grill mo pa siya after, oh my God, wala na. I tell you, if you love people by cooking for them, they will be so happy and they will love you back. Sobrang taka mo. Malambot. Oh, sobrang bilis lang ng ating cooking. Because of the baking soda, napabilis yung ating pag-tenderize ng ating pork. Very rich, very sticky. Bango pa lang, oh. Gugutumin ka talaga nito. Wow. Smells so good. And kapit na kapit yung ating sauce. Oh, wow. Super sarap niya. Very tender, pero may bite pa rin siya. Hindi siya yung mushy. Tama lang yung sweetness niya. May asim. Then may kick. Perfect with rice. Plain rice, pwedeng-pwede na. And you will be so satisfied with this recipe. Ang ating recipe for today, sweet and spicy pork ribs. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!